Hi, this is Lincoln Total Parts Pros today with 2018 Ford Mondeo, stock number 6681. This ran from the 9th 2014 to 6th 2020. It has an MD 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the MD 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch black taillight tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch black taillight tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch black taillight tyre, right rear and right front door mirror, right front headlight, right front 17-inch black taillight tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,